Can you hand it in your mouth? Okay. Can you count for me?
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. So let's count your blueberries. 1,
2, 7, 8.
7, 8.
8, 9, 7,
7.
8.
6, 7, 8. Wow. Here, let's count in order. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4.
4.
What comes after 4?
4.
4.
5.
5.
7, 8. Mommy, can I
What comes after?
have some more?
What comes after 8? 8.
9.
9. 9. And then what?
B.
9.
10.
10.
Over here.
Over here. What are these? Eat. What are you eating?
Orange.
What is it? What is it? Yeah. What's this?
Blueberry.
Turkey. What's this?
Cheese.
Cheese. What's this?
Chip.
Chip. Can you say I love you?
That's
Love you.